Hey everyone, so my name is Hussein from GodmodeHQ, and today I'm going to show you one of our use cases by taking the perspective of one of our clients. So one of the clients we recently signed works in the machine learning observability space, so they tend to be targeting people that are chief technology officers, that are head of data analytics, that are machine learning engineers, and that's about it. Industries, they tend to look in technology, obviously, and then SaaS. And they're pretty agnostic to company size. However, they do require that all of their clients come from the US because that's where most of their sales team is based. And so that's that. We could also use natural language to do the search, which is very cool. And so what we're doing here is we're querying all of our different databases. So Apollo, ZoomInfo, Novella, LinkedIn itself, as well as many others to try and find out this data. So what we have here already loaded up is our list of the first initial 50 leads. So you can see we have all of their basic information over here, but we can load even more information. So what we advise our clients to do usually is load up LinkedIn about, company description, and LinkedIn headline. So once we have these loaded up, we need to enrich them. So let's select a few of these people over here and enrich them to find out the data from their LinkedIn about, from their company description, and from their LinkedIn headlines. So you see over here, find out LinkedIn about, which is that little blurb at the beginning of someone's LinkedIn profile, which gives us quite a bit of information about them, which helps us write very custom outbound messages, as you'll see in a second. So let's let that load up for a sec. Okay, so that's good. Now we have 4 of them. Now, the next step is one that's very, very powerful and is exactly what our client told us that they liked the most about our product. So, something they wanted to do to be able to customize their outbound is to find out what kind of AI this company was working with. And so, what they do here is they search, they use website research, and they prompt it to find out what kind of AI this company is working for and why. And you can write literally anything here in website research. So it could be find out if they're an ICP, find out what recent events they've organized, find out what positions they're hiring for, or as we did, find out what kind of AI they're using. And what we do is our AI agents scour the web, they look for what company this lead is working for, and then for that company, they look for the top links when it comes to what AI they're using. They check their website, they check any publications or media articles about this company and about the AI that they're using. And then we summarize the results over here. So, something we always do is provide you the link from the source from which the AI got that information. And we also never let our models hallucinate. So if there's no information, the model, as you're going to see very, very shortly, is going to tell us that there's no information. So you see here, using AI and ML projects that focus on centering faster, intelligent global structures. And we have here the 2 links. Same here. And as I told you, here, no information found when we found no information. So moving on, let's say now that we have this and we have the LinkedIn about, and we can call this AI. Then what our product really does, which is to generate outbound, can be much more powerful. So now if I click here on generate, I can say use this person's LinkedIn about to write a short outbound message. Let them know that we've worked with the kind of AI they specify in, and then I can tag this column over here and generate an outbound message as such. And so again, what that's going to do is read this person's LinkedIn about, where we have all of this personal information about them, read what kind of AI technologies their company is using, and then use that to come up with this outbound message over here. So here we've worked with extensively with deep learning model for computer vision tasks, like you mentioned. Would love to connect and share notes on the latest in this space. Awesome to connect, seasoned AI developer, ecosystem developer like yourself. Worked extensively on building AI observability solutions to help teams like yours and build and deploy AI responsibly. Would love to grab 15 minutes to discuss how we could potentially collaborate. So you can see here how personal these messages are and how customized they are. And again, you can prompt this however you like, and you can even edit your prompts. So once we're kind of happy with the outbound messages that we've generated, we can select the people we'd like to send them to. And of course, we can edit these, right? And then once we select these people, we click over here on send campaign, we toggle this onto yes, and we tag this custom field which contains our outbound message. And then once I click send here, what that's going to do is send a connection request to all 6 of these people. I can do that up to 200 people per week. And if they accept my connection request after a delay, which I specify here, in this case 24 hours, which we can just change to 2 hours, for example, they'll receive exactly this message. So yeah, thank you so much. That's how you can send outbound through GodmodeHQ.